take y'all with me to my virtual baby shower. Say hey. He don't love me for a photo. And so we are on the way there now. We're supposed to be there. We're gonna get there at like literally 5:59. Y'all see the one car seat we got set up, and we gotta set up the other one, which we need to do soon because I'm due in like 2 weeks. But I'll see y'all when we get to the location. She get her right. I'm supposed to be right. No, the first time, girl. All right, so we got the baby shower, virtual baby shower, and we're gonna see what's to come. So thanks for watching.
Emmanuel?
What's up? What's good?
Say hey to the people.
I don't even believe in Corona, so I'm gonna take that off.
Really? You can't say that. You
Right.
gotta cut it off.
Exactly.
You gonna get demonetized after that.
He said demonetized. I'm not getting money yet.
You looking like a dad.
Right. Hold that, Mom.
Right.
Okay, it's over. It was such a great turnout. I thank my aunt for everything that she did to set it up and get it together. It was perfect. Thank you for everybody that came. I love all of y'all, family, friends. Y'all are literally the best. And thank you for all my gifts. Thank you for just being there throughout this journey. For me and Emmanuel with Noah and Levi on the way. Let me show y'all. But thanks for watching. If you're still here, hit that subscribe button, like button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.